And I want to get in Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, 172 violent incidents were reported in 2016, 278 in 21, which was a jump of 61%. And today, just as we speak, I've received a message from the Election Commission. The Chief Election Commissioner has directed the Chief Secretary, the DGP and the CAPF in Bengal to ensure zero tolerance towards post-poll violence by anyone in Bengal. This is what is happening in real time as we speak, and 63% of the cabinet has been defeated. 22 of the 35 ministers have been defeated. All of this because of SIR problems? Really?
गुड इवनिंग नाविक एंड गुड इवनिंग टू माय फेलो पैनलिस्ट। पहले तो जो मेरे बड़े भाई हैं विवेक साइलेंस जी, मतलब इनका तुक समझ में नहीं आया। कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी को पहले ही पता था, पूरा सेट किया इन्होंने इलेक्शन की। 11 बजे लोगों को लड्डू खिला रहे हैं और 6:30 बजे मैसेज चला गया था लड्डू का। अब इन्होंने लगता है कभी डोसा बनाया नहीं है। अगर मैं सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए 12 बजे डोसा बनाऊं तो उसका डो फर्मेंट करना पड़ता है सुबह उठ के 4 बजे। आप मद्रासी नहीं है इसलिए आपको पता नहीं है, इसलिए आपको बता दूं। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं अगर डोसा 12 बजे खिलाना चाहता हूं तो 8 घंटे पहले तैयारी कर दूं तो वो बहुत जश्न मना रहा हूं। नंबर 2, नाविका, आई नीड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रेट आउट हियर। मच एज आई लव एंड एडमायर माई एल्डर ब्रदर सुहेल, आई vehemently disagree in my assessment. I neither respect nor admire Mamata because she oversaw an evil regime that was anti the nation, that was anti-Bengal, and that was anti-freedom and anti-Hindu. And I beg the new incoming government, which would be the BJP government, to immediately on day 0, day 1, hour 0, do 3 things immediately. To prove that Mamata was anti-nation, they must immediately hand over 600 acres of land that Mamata refused to give to BSF immediately. And number 2, to prove that Mamata was overseeing an evil regime, they must fast track all the Sandesh Khali cases, all the cases of post-poll violence. And number 3, to prove that Mamata was anti-Bengali, they must immediately grant the 80 central projects that Mamata deliberately stalled so that the Bengalis would suffer, because she wanted Modi to suffer in Bengal and Bengalis to suffer generally.